is Charan. Today, my topic is about timelines of Apple. And so, who was the founder of Apple? When did the Apple company start? Where did the Apple company start? What do Apple companies make? And what is its net worth? Timeline of Apple. On the 1st April 1976, Steve Jobs started Apple. On 11th April 1976, Apple released its first computer, Apple I. In April 1st, 1977, Apple released its second computer, Apple II. 1st June 1979, Apple released its third computer, Apple Plus. In 29th June 2007, Apple released its first generation iPhone. And today, in 24th September 2021, Apple released iPhone 13. Who is the founder of Apple? Steve Jobs is the founder of Apple with two of his friends' help. He also took help of different investors for the company. When did the Apple company start? Apple company started in 1st April 1976 and started it in his mom's garage. Where did Apple company start? Apple company started in Los Altos, California, United States. What is Apple company's net worth? Apple company is worth about $2,948 billion today. Thank you.